Hey, hey, my beautiful friends. Here we are, the final day, day 30. Leo popped in for a quick yoga session today. We're going to use a strap today. So you will need a strap. I also am close to a wall. So that might be handy for you, or a sofa or a kitchen sink or something like that. So we're going to use our strap. Sorry, Leo was eating my plant. We're going to use our strap for both the upper body and lower body. And remember, you can do this from a seated position. You'll just do the legs extended out, however we do them like that. So tomorrow is a bonus session. I don't like to have anything incomplete. So being August is 31 days, tomorrow we will enjoy a full practice. So plan accordingly for that time-wise, and let's get busy. So today we're going to start with our strap or our belt, just standing hip and feet, knees, hip distance apart. Take your strap no wider than your shoulders. So I'm just right at that width of my body, basically. And I'm going to reach it all the way up, get a big good morning stretch. Feels so nice. And then I'm just going to do some slight rocking side to side. We're going to get bigger with this, but just to begin, and then lower the strap. Roll your shoulders. They like to creep up by the ears. Reach it back up. This time we're going to rock front to back. So just kind of opening up the chest, getting a little tiny back bend. So as I pull the strap over, I get a little tiny extension of my spine. Let's do 3 more. Beautiful. And then lower it. All right, same distance in the strap. Come back up. We're going to spin to the right. Pull the strap hard when you get back there. Come back to center. Pull the strap. You should feel a nice stretch. Leo, come back to center. Did you catch that? He chased the strap. To the right and to the left. Come back to center. Up we go. Now we're going to tip over bigger. Okay, we just did all 6 directions of the spine with the strap. Did you catch that? Come back up and lower it. Now we're going to widen the strap. It's going to be more like a Y shape. Up we go. Same thing. Tiny little rocks side to side, starting to get a little bit more sensation through the side body. Come back to center. And now front to back. Just a little bit. See how that arches the spine? Just a little bit. Beautiful. Come back to center, shoulder height. Let's spin to the right. When you spin, pull. Pull like you mean it. Come back to center. Pull like you mean it. Pull, pull, pull. 1 more each side. Pull. It feels so good in the upper back. Pull. Come back. Up we go. Now we take that big side bend. Pull the strap like you mean it. Come back up. Other side. Pull, pull, pull. Come back up and lower the arms. Okay, we're going to add on. Same thing, but as wide as the strap can be without it being floppy. So we're going to pull hard, create some tension, some work through the triceps. Up we go. Tiny little rocks to start. Tiny little rocks, side to side. Now we're going to go back and front, back and front. So you might find that your shoulder looks different than mine. Again, that's that socket, ball and socket we've talked about all month, that it's a bone thing. It's not an ability thing. It's not something to strive for. Our bodies are just our bodies. Come back, bring it to shoulder height. Here we go. Spin to the right. Pull like you mean it. Come back to center. Pull like you mean it. Come back. Up we go. Here's the biggest one yet. Side bend. Bend your right elbow, pull it in, and pull the strap. You should feel huge stretch through the left side. Push your right arm back out. Come back up. Over to the left we go. Bend the left elbow. Pull, pull, pull. Come on back. And lower the strap. Go ahead and loop it just around your neck for a moment. Adjust your pants if you need to. Give yourself a squeeze. Okay, that's a lot of shoulder work. Something that can be done a couple times a week. It's great for posture. It keeps your spine nice and straight, especially if you have a tendency to round your shoulders or you work in a place where You're often hunched over. Pull your elbows way back, interlace your fingers behind you, or capture your elbows, either one, and then push your heart forward. Push your hips forward, draw a line with your nose up, just sort of stretching all of that. And then come back. Let's play with the strap on the feet. This is where the wall or the kitchen sink or the sofa comes in handy. We'll see how we do today. Remember, nothing happens. No confetti comes from the sky if you can stand on one leg. It's mostly to watch what we do with our thoughts. Okay? Loop the strap over your right foot, and you will hold the strap, both tails, with your right hand. Left leg is going to be our strong leg. We're going to start just by lifting the right leg and lowering it. We're going to do it 3 times each direction. Here's 2. Here's 1. Now we're going to take the leg out to the side. 1, 2, 3. We're not done. Adjust your hands if you need to. And we're going to straighten it up. Okay, so you might have to move the strap down. Lift it as high as you can. Place your left hand on your left hip. There comes that sun. Here we go. Open up. Open up. Take your left arm out if you need to. Grab the ball, grab the kitchen sink. Lift, lift, lift. Come back and lower it. We're going to do the whole thing on the left side. Stick the strap around your left foot. If you're in the chair, you're simply following along. Scooting your cheeks to the edge of the chair will give you that ability to open your left leg. Right leg becomes our standing leg. Right hand on the hip. 3 times. Here we go. Up and down. 2, 3. Now we take it up to the side. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Here's the harder one. Adjust the strap. Left leg lifts. Open it. Hold and breathe. Return it and lower it. Let's go back to the right side. Okay, it's not that scary, is it? If I would have told you this is what we're going to be doing, you might have given up. You might have said, I'm not doing that. I can't do that, but here we are. Okay, here we are. Just going to do one more. We're going to lift the right leg, move the strap to the left hand, lift it, lift it, lift it. Try to let it become parallel to the floor, toes to the sky. Whoa, right leg up, and you're going to twist. Right arm goes behind you. Look at your right thumb if you can. Hold. Return the eyes, return the hand, lower. Twist. Who would have thunk? Who would have thunk we could do it? All right, strap goes on the left foot. Up she goes. Ish. Right hand grabs the strap. Left hand to the sky. Left hand behind you. Turn your eyes. Look at your left thumb. Lift your leg. Lift your leg. Return the eyes. Return the hand. Return the leg. Ta-da! We did it. All right, let's finish with 3 suns. Half sun. Let's step wide first, so let's get a little oomph. All right, I hope you enjoyed yesterday's practice. Of all of the days, yesterday was my favorite, even though it was an incredibly hard day. Up we go. It was hard emotionally. It was hard to have some doctor stuff going on with my hip. Come back to center, grab your right wrist. But the practice felt amazing. And it felt freeing to me. And I love whenever I'm feeling a little bit stuck or a little bit, if I come to a practice that moves that energy, I feel way better. So if you missed it, go back. Day 29. It's a good one. And it's a beautiful scenery, beautiful, beautiful outdoor practice. Okay, 3 half suns. I'm going to turn. Actually, I'm going to stay facing the sun. The tradition in a very traditional Indian practice is to face the east, which is that way, every morning and do 108 rounds. So next month, I will be teaching a meditation around the 108 number using a mala, string of beads like prayer beads or rosary. That's called japa meditation. You can find it on YouTube. I just did a little short one on that. But a traditional practice is 108 full sun salutations. It takes about an hour. And that becomes that meditation in motion. It becomes something that is done to really embody an intention. We're going to do 3 half suns. So if you can, face the east, which is beautiful. The sun is shining in. It is a reflection of our heart, right? We have that connection to light. And that's really important. So on this final day of day 30, we've learned a lot about intentions. We've learned a lot about applying the practice to our life. And so today, on this final day, maybe the intention is just to embody it all and just to observe how it shows up in your life today. Turn your palms, drop your shoulders, squeeze your heart forward. Here we go. Inhale up. Exhale, spill over your legs. Inhale to rise. Get to the top, turn your palms. Beautiful. 1 more. 2 more. Inhale up. Good thing we're not going to 108. Exhale down. Inhale up. Turn your palms. Let's go slow on this final one. Luxurious breath in. A luxurious breath out. A luxurious breath in. And an exhale. Put your hand on your body. Gratitude for being alive. Gratitude for the commitment that you had, that you have every day to show up and be your best. That's where it's at. That's why we're doing it, right? All right, my friends, I'll see you tomorrow for a full practice to close it all up. Bonus session coming tomorrow, day 31, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.